Resurgent is a technology-driven company that integrates innovative audiovisual solutions into businesses. From dynamic technology to easy-to-use interface, the interactive environment we create come with features that enable collaborations and empower faster decision-making. We embrace human-centric method for user interface and design for a seamless and hassle-free experience for the end users.
Innovate, integrate. What we propose to the client addresses their requirements first by eliminating their pain points. The solution proposed ensures the collaboration system is easy to use, it's robust in terms of the product specifics, it's scalable and future-proof, and at the same time aligned with their budget.
As part of our project execution team, we strive to keep our commitments with respect to the project handover, in which we maintain a constant communication with our execution team at site and the client with the timely reports. The appreciations what we get from the client constantly motivates us to give our best all the time. Meeting the client's expectation first and then exceeding it by ensuring the deliverables are met well within the timelines specified. This is possible through our strong network and relationship with OEMs. This separates us from the competition.
Our technical team consists of close to 30 plus competent team members with a collective man experience of 300 years spreading across design, programming, technicians and the engineer caliber. Proud to say that more than 70% of our team are AVIXA plus PSNI Global Certified professionals who ensure that our project implementation is as per the global standards. Our footprint in terms of project installation has covered all major cities of India, and we have catered to a varied spectrum of end users, be it household, educational institutions or corporates. Till date, from the time of inception of Resurgent, we have successfully handled 500 clients, 850 projects and close to 4,000 plus installations. The team is always on an ever-learning mode and handhold the new team members to upskill themselves to meet these global standards. As the industry is evolving, so is our workforce, and we are ready to embrace this with open arms.
The young, energetic aspirants at Resurgent are the source of inspiration and dedication. Adding to that, well-driven human resource policies, daily fun activities, timely recognition, and of course, the learning platform provided at all the binds. As a team, we are always to give our best.
We, Resurgent, truly believe in client satisfaction, and we always make it happen with our best technology and quality-driven products within stipulated time.
In Resurgent, the design and distribution team, we used to follow the world's leading AV technology to design the solutions. All our design team members are got trained and certified from world's leading AV manufacturers. Also, we used to follow the AVIXA standard as well as the PSNI Global Alliance standard to design all our AV solutions. And we will do the multiple levels of error checking to give a problem-free solution to our client. That's the reason why we have more happy clients in our list.
We focus on two important pillars within the organization: people and processes. Being in the business of providing technological solutions and services, more than 70% of our employees are with a technical background. Today, Resurgent has implemented projects that are not only complex but large in nature across the nook and corner of the country. We have a technical presence in offices across to meet up to the client service expectations. We are pretty sure that today Resurgent is at the threshold of not only taking care of its existing clients but also meeting up to new challenges and taking up the market potential to the next level.